Hello,
Hello, teacher.
my name is Casey. What is your name?
My name is Alice.
Iris, very good. How old are you?
I'm 5.
5 years old. Very well. What color do you like?
I like pink.
Pink. Okay. What do you see at the zoo?
I see a tiger.
Tiger. Okay. What do you
I
see?
see an elephant. I see a monkey.
What do you see at the zoo?
I see a camel.
And what else do you see?
I see a whale.
Very good. What do
I
you
see a hippo.
What do you see at the zoo?
I see giraffe.
Very well. What do you
I see a
see?
zebra.
Very well. What animal do you like?
I like lion. I like
Good.
gorilla.
What animal do you like?
I like kangaroo.
Yes, and
I
what
like
animal?
ostrich.
Ostrich. Okay, now letters. What letter is it?
It's a bee.
Letter G is for?
It's for dita.
Letter G is for?
Goon.
What letter is it?
It's a
H is for?
ham.
And?
Horse.
Very good. What letter is it?
It's a I.
Yes. Letter I is for?
Ink.
And for?
Iguana.
What letter is it?
It's a J.
Letter J is for?
Chickasha.
Yes, and for?
Jewel.
Jewel. Yes. What letter is it?
It's a K.
K is for?
King.
Right. And for? Letter K is for?
Kick.
Yes. What letter is it?
It's a L.
L is for?
Leaf.
And letter L is for?
A for lecture.
Yes. Very good. Thank you so much.